we go, guys. Ready to take off, and let's drive this beast to San Diego. Let's go. It's gonna take about 1 hour. Here at the location, we just parked right here, just temporary, because we're warming up the oven. Like you can see, the oven is on because we turned it on also last night. And let's check the dough. Let's check the dough. Oh, and that dough is gonna be ready at 4, guaranteed. So we're gonna park this beast in the parking lot. Hopefully, the police doesn't come and stop us during this beautiful event. So let's warm up this oven. Let's do the setup. Hopefully, we get some shot and let's go. We are setting up exactly on the street. This is the Pacific Coast Highway. In a ocean side, and this is the store of the new store of Municipal. So congrats to Municipal. Really cool, really nice clothing line. You know what I'm saying? I wear it. At the Municipal store. This is an amazing event. It's for a special friend of mine that is you'll see during this video because it's insane. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and test the oven. So come with me. I want to show you something. Let me put the apron. So guys, so if you don't know, this is the Municipal store right here. Municipal is a brand created by Mark Wahlberg. And Mark Wahlberg is a client of mine, a friend of mine, and they are located. Let me go this side, just the shade. They are located on in Ocean Side. Ocean Side. This
yeah.
Ocean Side.
Ocean Side, yeah.
They are located in Ocean Side in Pacific Coast Highway. So great location, and this is day number 1. So now we are here to make pizzas for everybody, for all the guests, and we're gonna have fun until tonight. So what happened here is a super hot day, and then even if it's November, and the dough here, it got exploded. You can see there is full of bubbling. So this is when the dough is overproof. So what we did, we reball it, we let it stay for another 2 hours, and that's how the dough is. Like you can see, it's nice and strong, and we're going to make both pizzas just to see and test which one is better, because I have F dough overproof, F dough really good. So before all the guests are coming, I want to make sure that we make the best pizza. So what we're gonna do here, test the 2 pizzas. So let's go ahead. Let's prepare some ingredients, and then I'm gonna make 2 nice classic margherita for you guys. This way you can see. Like you can see here, the oven is nice and warm. Right now it's at 450 Celsius, so it's good and hot. So what we're gonna do here, we need to move all this ash here, the hot. We're gonna put it here. If it breaks, we're gonna put it on the side, right there. Do you see this little thing in the middle here? We're gonna put it on the side. We're gonna put this metal here on the side. Make sure no wood is on the bottom here. So see this wood here, the thick one. We're gonna go ahead and put this on top. Whatever is broke, we need to put it on the side. Here we go. Like you can see, I put everything on the side. See, now it's ready to clean up. Now we're gonna grab a piece of wood, just like that, and then I usually put it on the side to warm up. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put it directly on top. I mean, because the oven is nice and warm, so I'm gonna put it on this side. Here we go. Done. So now let's go ahead and let's clean up the oven with a wet towel. So I didn't find a towel, so we're gonna use some wet paper towel, which is okay too. Okay, So what we're gonna do here is see, wet down and make it wet like that. This way it sticks on the peel. And we grab a circulated peel. Go ahead. Try to go ahead now and pass this wet towel all over the place. See? Now flip it over and do the same thing. Nice and clean. So we're gonna do this a few times until it's nice and clean and not hash. Because see, this goes on top of your pizza. You don't want that. And then go ahead and just dump it on top of the flame. So let's go ahead. Here we go. The oven is clean. I did it for a few times. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and put a piece of wood on the side. This way it warms up, and then I'm gonna make the pizza, and then when the pizza is in the oven, I'm gonna get that piece of wood, put it on top, and then we have the right flame to make the pizza soft and crunchy. Let's go ahead and let's make the two pizzas. You can see here we have 0 flour, but because I didn't find any rice flour or semolina flour, I'm gonna use some cornmeal, pre-cooked white cornmeal, which is really good also to make the pizzas. So I'm gonna do a blend about 30% of cornmeal with a mix of 0 flour. Let's grab the rebullet. Done, much easy to work. Okay, let's go ahead and let's put this one on top of the. So look at how to stretch when it's overproof. You need to go really gentle. You need to be really gentle. So you go ahead, you press, keep the air on the crust, and then 1 and 2. That's it. You don't want to stretch it too much. We're gonna stretch this pizza on top of the peel, but blow these bubbles, otherwise it's gonna be hard after. Now this one is gonna be much easier to stretch. But what we're looking for the best pizza, best dough, for the best results. Done. Tomato sauce. We're gonna make a classic margherita. Fresh basil. Just a few leaves on the bottom, and then we're gonna put a little bit of cheese because it's a test. But of course we're gonna eat it, so I'm gonna put a very little one.
Ma maybe tell me this guy who is
Vito Iacopelli. Subscribe. Done. Now olive oil. Olive oil. Here we go. So now look how we need to put the pizza on the peel. Flour, then boom on top of the peel. Then you hold it. Lo fai, puoi mantenere? Grazie, almeno fai qualche cosa. Grazie. Then you make the pizza a little bit big. See, no car pass by. We're gonna make the sides of the peel. So let's go ahead in the oven. Boom, one, a bit more hard to stretch. Then in the oven. Boom, voila.
It's nice, right?
No, lascia quella. Grab the piece of peel, the wood, and put it on top. Here we go. So now we're gonna cook it and check and see which pizza is better, and then we decide to which one we're gonna make for the guest. So check the bottom, that's good. Check the bottom on the back, that's good. You're gonna get it, get outside and turn the pizza and put it back. It feels good, the spot. Bring it outside, this way you can see, because when you have sun, it's very hard to see. Here we go. Let's check again. The pizza's almost ready. Put it back. Yeah, definitely. I want to show you the differences between both pizzas. They don't have a lot of ingredients because this test pizza. Okay, the pizzas are ready. That's the one overproof, and this is the one rebollet. Like you can see, like you can see here, we have a nice soft and crunchy, full of air, empty, and this is a little bit collapsed, so not a much hair because they lose the stretch, the strong, so it's not strong anymore. So you judge which one is it's better. Vedi là? Ah, su di me. Okay, now let's get ready with the pizza for the guest. Okay everyone, here we go. Now it's time to prepare some pizzas and wait for my big and huge friend Mark Wahlberg. Yes, you understand right, Mark Wahlberg and his guest. So let's get ready, sit down and watch until the end. Let's wait for Mark. Here we go, he's coming. Keep it on the peel 1 second, lift it up, no, the whole peel. Okay, take it out. There we go. Wow. Hold on, I will let you do it. A little bit. Coconuts. We already had 3 pieces. Don't tell them. I can't keep it. Don't tell them. Let's go check out the place. Journey, like you can see, it looks like I went to shopping. I'm super tired, ready to go to sleep, but this day was remarkable. So nice to meet Mark, so nice to meet municipal world, municipal team. You guys were insane. Thank you so much for this experience. I hope you, Mark, learn something about pizza. And guys, go ahead, smash that like, watch this video again, comment below, let me know what you think, and let me know what celebrity I should make the pizza for next or with. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.